My name is Bikram Ji Chadha and this is Dad, Inder Ji Chadha. Together we run the business Supreme Logistics. Supreme Logistics is a legacy business with an incredibly strong brand value, not just because of the scale and size, but also because of our contributions to the transport trade.
हमारा ट्रांसपोर्ट बिजनेस मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने स्टार्ट किया था, जो कि पाकिस्तान रावलपिंडी से स्टार्ट हुआ था। आफ्टर पार्टीशन मेरे फादर ने रीस्टार्ट किया इंडिया में। फिर उसके बाद मैंने 1976 में उनको ज्वाइन किया। उस टाइम ट्रांसपोर्ट का काम इतना अच्छा था, जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि 8 ट्रक से 50 ट्रक पे कब पहुंच गया मैं।
Today we operate in the 21 tons to 40 tons full truckload segment. Our routes include Delhi NCR, all of Haryana, Punjab, some parts of UP and Rajasthan. Going towards west, Mumbai, Pune, with a fleet of over 120 trucks. We can cater to businesses of all sizes. So I joined the business in the era of rapid change and reforms. On the regulation front, there was a lot of change too, especially in the technology of trucks, migrating from BS3 to 4 to 6. Cost of asset had gone up. Anyways, transport is an exceptionally demanding business where you just can't switch off. Every day has multiple deadlines. To excel in these challenging times, we focused on our core values, commitments to our customers and customer satisfaction. We wanted to ensure that we don't have workshop visits, in-transit breakdowns. And to do this, we needed a dependable and trusted partner. Over the years, Valvoline has been one such partner.
जब मैंने Valvoline के प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किए, उनकी परफॉर्मेंस मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी।
We regularly tested lubricants of different brands at intervals of 10,000 kilometers. We used to notice a problem of frequent top-ups, discolorization of the oil, and change in the viscosity of the lubricant. All of these could compromise the life of my engine gear and crown. After rigorous testing, we finally zeroed down on Valvoline, which we have been using exclusively for several years now. We recently started using Valvoline CK-4 and it's giving us great results. Valvoline helps us maintain our trucks and our legacy in this extremely competitive environment, ensuring that our service to our customers is never compromised.